Hi guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, I am bringing you a classic treat. We are making banana pudding from scratch, entirely from scratch, and it's so divine. It is a no-bake dessert. It is perfect for whenever, especially in the summertime when you don't even have to put on your oven, which for me, I don't mind because I'll bake all year long. The heat won't stop me from putting it on my oven. It's like a childhood memory. I first had this when I was maybe 9 years old. Fell in love with it ever since. So now I make it through time to time, and I am thrilled to show you. So stick around as I show you how to make the custard part of this recipe. Okay guys, now let's begin. I have here is 1 quart of full fat milk, which equals to 4 cups. I have 3/4 cup of sugar and 1 vanilla bean. If you don't have a vanilla bean, you can certainly use vanilla extract. That will work. Right here I have 1/3 cup of cornstarch with a pinch of salt. That's just gonna bring the flavors together. 3 extra large egg yolks, and that's all you're gonna need for the custard part. Okay guys, now let's begin. I have my stove off, and right now I'm using a small saucepan. I'm going to be putting in my milk, and I'm going to be putting in the whole thing. Alright, so after you're putting your milk in here, we're going to be putting our eggs. This is just the egg yolks. You can save and even freeze the egg whites. And I'm just going to be placing everything in here. Everybody makes it differently, and this is just my way of doing this. It comes together beautifully. You'll have such a wonderful, creamy pudding, and that's exactly what we want. Now, you know, when you're dealing with cornstarch, it needs to be mixed in cold liquid, because if you put it in when the liquid is warm, it's not going to go well. It's going to clump up, and it's going to be a disaster. And same thing with the eggs. It's better to mix it in while it's cold, so as the milk gets into the temperature that it needs, everything is just going to blend in perfectly. I'm going to show you when this gets thick enough, okay? See you right back. Alright guys, now check this out. Look how thick and creamy with no lumps. It appears to be so smooth. We are still going to strain it just in case if there are still lumps, but you see, I kept on stirring and stirring and did not let this out my sight, and it took about 10 minutes. So be really 10 patient or so, making sure that your stove is on the lowest flame, so that way you don't scorch your pudding. And I just used the whisk for the entire time. Alright guys, so I have a bowl that I'm going to be putting in my pudding. I have a strained mesh just to capture anything that had cooked, if any egg had cooked, or any lumps or anything can capture it. So our final product could be nice and creamy. Cool. And then I'm just going to strain things through. Look, it's pretty, nothing much, pretty stood. So it came out pretty good. Perfect. Now this has to set in the refrigerator for a good 6 hours or overnight. It's going to thicken up while it cools off, just like that. And allowing the saran wrap to touch right on the pudding. It just helps to lift up any skin that forms. Right on the top. We will be having some vanilla pudding, and I'll show you the next step after this cools off. See you right back after 6 to 24 hours. Okay guys, now let's begin. I just took this out the refrigerator, and I'm going to remove my saran wrap. Now it's pretty stiff. It's been in the refrigerator for 6 hours, so you just want to loosen it up Alright guys, you can plate this in any way you want. You can be definitely creative and do however you like to do it. But this, my friends, I'm just going to go simple. I'm home and this is just for me and my family. So right now, I'm just going to open up these cookies and I'm going to place them in the bottom first. I like a lot in the bottom, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. I just waste it, and how I'm going to do this is pretty simple. I'm just going to cut. I like thin slices, so I'm just going to put some thin slices of banana in here and just spread it all around. And this pudding came out so good, y'all. So just pour it in, let it cover the entire pan and every corner possible. Okay, I think I got everything out. Alright, and then with your spatula, just making sure that every area. I'm not too big on decoration, but a little presentation don't hurt nobody, right? So I am going to lay these down in a certain way, like so. Alright guys, so after you finish placing your cookies in this row, or however you want to decorate it, if you're doing it this way, I just will tell you to just press it down gently, just so that way everything could be submerged, because I love when the cookies actually become softened by the pudding. Oh my god, it kind of resembles like a cake. It's so divinely delicious. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cover it with saran wrap, place this in the refrigerator for another hour or two, just so that way it can set and become one with everything. And then after that, I'm going to do a taste test, and I'll see you right back. Okay guys, welcome back. Well, it's time for me to do a taste test. Now, I should have let this get softened up just a little bit more. I can see that the cookies were starting to get soft, but I was being a little impatient because this, my friends, I've been waiting to make this for a very long time, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna do a video and I'm gonna show you how I like to prepare mine, and I just can't see myself waiting another day. So I'm gonna take a spoon and it's going to be delicious, and I'm already like, I just can't wait. If you know what an old-fashioned banana pudding tastes like, right here, my friends, oh my god. I just hope you're not on a diet when you taste this. That's what I'm saying. It is delicious. It is kind of sweet, not overpowering. It's creamy. It's everything that you love in a banana pudding, in my opinion. Hands down, delicious. I give myself a thumbs up. Thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in. I really hope you guys give this a try. Make it super easy. It's delicious. No bake. You don't got to worry about messing with your oven. So take care, my friends. I thank you so much for joining me today. You know, it's always a pleasure of having you cook along with me. Make this. Don't forget to follow me in my social media sites. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.